Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford F-150. It's right here behind me. Why don't we start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels and they are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back you have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Ford bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control, automatic transmission, and your four-wheel drive is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.